everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of Toyota's boldest and most unique sedans, the Toyota Crown. A car that blends luxury, tech, and hybrid power in a body style that turns heads. Is this the future of sedans? Let's find out. The Crown carries forward the design language introduced in, but with a few refined touches. That elevated stance, a part sedan, part crossover, gives it a commanding presence. The front end features sleek LED headlights, a resculpted grille, and sharper character lines. Depending on your trim, you get different wheels, ranging from 19 to 21 inches, and unique accents that really set the Platinum model apart with its two-tone paint and dark chrome elements. Step inside, and the Crown feels upscale, futuristic, and genuinely comfortable. The dashboard layout is clean, with soft touch materials, premium stitching, and available leather upholstery. You get a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen running Toyota's latest software, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a panoramic roof, heated and ventilated seats, and even rear seat heating on topped rims. The Crown offers two hybrid powertrains. The XLE and Limited trims come with a 2.5-litre four-cylinder hybrid setup pushing out around 236 horsepower with a WD. But the real excitement lies in the Platinum trim, which packs Toyota's Hybrid Max system, a turbocharged 2.4-litre engine and electric motors combining for 340 horsepower and a 0-60 time around 5.7 seconds. And guess what? All-wheel drive is standard across the lineup, and the ride quality is impressively smooth, perfect for highway cruising or city driving. Toyota continues its focus on safety with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and even traffic sign recognition. Despite its sleek shape, the Crown offers a roomy cabin with solid legroom front and rear. The trunk is decently sized, to a just over 15 cubic feet. The base hybrid models return an impressive 41 mpg city and 44 mpg highway, while the Hybrid Max still manages a respectable 29 mpg combined. The Toyota Crown starts around $42,000 for the XLE, climbs to about $47,000 for the Limited, and tops out at around $54,000 for the Platinum. Not cheap, but you're paying for luxury, performance, and Toyota's renowned reliability. The Toyota Crown isn't your traditional sedan, and that's what makes it stand out. It's daring, comfortable, tech-packed, and efficient. If you want something that blends SUV height with sedan dynamics, the Crown deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the Crown in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next car review. Catch you in the next one.